Hi, we had an issue with our Xiaomi Pro 4 scooter where the fender was rattling a lot. So we disassembled the back and found out that a screw was loose. Now we're going to use Loctite on it and put it back so it doesn't happen again. This assembly of the back is the reverse of assembling it.
No more rattling noise. Don't over tighten the screws.
Don't over tighten the screws, but make sure that they are tight.
There are two plastic holders. That's it.
And to remove it, you just need to pry on one of the sides with a screwdriver and try to push the plastic hooks out of place so you can remove it.